let's talk about trading styles. Everybody in here is a little bit different. Different backgrounds, different careers, maybe running a business. Some of you might be starting with $10,000 and others might be starting with $1 million in capital. Who knows, but the thing is, everybody here is different. And because of that, we also have different trading styles. So within MasterClass, we're going to be focusing mainly on three. Mainly within this Trading MasterClass, we'll focus on three trading styles. One of them is swing trading, one of them is day trading, and the other one is hybrid trading, a hybrid approach, which is a kind of an approach that I created after designing the strategies and so on. So we'll touch on those later in the lessons as well. But I really want to talk about those are three trading styles, but there's even more trading styles than that. Let's say that you have a lot of capital to really invest into trading and you want to diversify as well. So you might want to become an investor, right? So you can be a swing trader, day trader, but you can also be an investor, investing in various companies, from passive investing to value investing to active investing, and maybe even day trading on the side as well, right? You have to develop your personality based on your life, right? At the same time, some of you might love your jobs, you might love your careers, you might love the business that you've created and are potentially running, right? You might be the CEO of a very successful business, right? An entrepreneur and so on. So you might not want to dedicate majority of your time to trading, but guess what? You want to invest your capital. You want to do more with your capital. So you may choose the swing trading approach. And I'll talk about that in a second as well. At the same time, some of you might hate your job. You might hate the 9-to-5 grind and so on. So you might want to dedicate a little bit more time to trading because you might want to make this your full-time career. So day trading might be your thing. And again, I'll talk about day trading in a bit as well. But I can continue going. Some of you might start off with Forex, but then you might fall in love with equities. Maybe you'll fall in love with cryptocurrency as well. So all of a sudden your trading approach will evolve over time because now you'll be trading Forex, equities, and cryptocurrency, right? Which will, if you're a day trader and you want to day trade all those markets, you're going to spend a lot of time on the charts. It's going to be a full-time job, right? And not really part-time. So you have to understand these little differences. And again, you have to figure out what it is that you want to achieve from this. Do you just want to invest your capital and make more money on top of it? Do you want to have your money work for you while you sleep kind of thing, part-time? Or do you want to do this full-time, right? Because if you want to do this full-time, there's many ways, many approaches to do it. Let me give you another example of a trading style. Let's say you are really good, you really love computers and you're really into coding and so on. So you might be into algorithms, right? So over time, as you learn how the trading markets work, how the financial markets work, you might want to evolve more into algorithmic trading and start building algorithms and so on, right? Like I said, there's many trading styles out there. And from, again, day trader, swing trader, hybrid approach, investor, I would even call a trading style a mixer where you're trading Forex, equities, cryptocurrency, right? You might eventually start running a fund. Once you're sitting on a lot of capital and you have a lot of experience, right? Eventually you might want to start a hedge fund, right? That's a totally different trading style. That's like major leagues, right? Or venture capitalism, investing in startup companies, right? That's what I mean. There's so many trading styles, and depending on where you are, depending on your capital size, you're gonna have to figure out where you want to begin. So in this masterclass, in the next few lessons, I'll focus on swing trading, as that is extremely, extremely popular, and it's more part-time. I'll also focus on day trading, which is again extremely popular, and it's more full-time of an approach, right? And I'll also focus on the hybrid style, which is kind of a combination of the two. So that's it for now when it comes to the introduction to trading styles. I just want you to kind of figure out what it is that you want out of this, right? And how much time you want to commit. And as we go through the rest of the course, through the rest of the masterclass, you'll actually see how swing trading, day trading, and how the hybrid approach is actually utilized within masterclass, and how you can develop your trading plan, your trading style based on what is in MasterClass. So I'll pause this intro right here, and in the next lesson, we'll focus on swing trading.